Hey Olga, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that's certainly something that we specialize in and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and get started. So the three things we will cover are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content. And content would be considered anything that you can see here on your website. That does also include the pictures. What the pictures are saved as well can be considered content. And the layout and everything of your website is fantastic. It's very organized, it's very user-friendly, so awesome job there. It looks amazing. With this, I would say that you all could probably add a little bit more content to the homepage to get to those 1,500 words that Google likes to see. And it really gives you more of an opportunity to also to be able to add in keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. So that is my tip there, and we will move on to the next thing, which is citations. And I pulled up a Google search of cleaning services in your area, and the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directories, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in their business details and services. So you would want to check to see where your competition is being listed within those directories, and you would want to grab those listings for your business as well. But you also would not just want to stop there. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 citations or 10 directory listings, you would want to grab those 10 and then you would want to double, triple, quadruple those. So you would want to get 20, 30, 40 more. That way you're completely dominating them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high on the maps here as well. So we'll move right along here to backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section down here. This is called the organic section underneath the map pack. And the way the backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site and is driving traffic to your site and pushing power to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their website and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful to you. You would want to get links from other cleaning service companies that send a link back to your website and signal to Google that number one, that is the industry that you're in, and number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique and powerful to Google because it is relevant to your industry. So I pulled up one of the tools that I use here, and I did put your site in it just to give you kind of a visual representation of what we're speaking about. So it's showing that you all have 81 referring domains, which is giving you 119 backlinks, getting you found for 12 keywords, but it's not driving any traffic to your site. And I pulled up the top competitor here that's ranking high on Google as well. So they're showing 194 referring domains, which is giving them 1.84 thousand backlinks, getting them found for 1.6 thousand keywords, and that's driving 4.3 thousand people to their website just per month, which is a lot. So let me pull up the keywords that they have here, and we'll take a look and see what they're using. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. What I mean by that is anything that someone is going to think to type into the search bar when they're looking for a cleaning service. And we'll also pay attention to this section here, this volume section. This number represents how many times this phrase has been searched for monthly. So let's see here. So they have home cleaning services. Here's a perfect one, house cleaning Melbourne. So it's listing the service, and then it's also listing the location that they're trying to target. So that would be a great buyer intent keyword. Also carpet cleaning Melbourne. Let's see what else they have here. Cleaning Melbourne, home cleaners Melbourne, spring cleaning Melbourne. So I won't bore you and go through all of these, but that certainly gives you an idea of the types of things that you would be looking to work into the content on your site. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. And then again, like I mentioned before, you just don't want to stop at only what your competition has. You want to continue to add on to that. That is going to get you to that first page of Google, but it's also going to make it to where your competition has a very difficult time even keeping up with you at that point. But that's really all that I have for you today, Olga. I hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thank you again for your time, and you have a great weekend.